I love stones because they are an example of the infinite abundance of beauty, of diversity. They are like us, they are pieces of the infinite abundance. If you observe the stones, they're having all different kinds of colors, of shapes, of characteristics as well. Each stone carries their own history, their own wisdom. Look at this, and each stone is unique. And as all stones are unique, but are also a part of the infinite abundance of this great universal beauty and diversity, it's also you. We are also infinite abundance of beauty as the stones, and this is also the interculturalism and this great infinite abundance of beauty and global connection. We are belonging all in the one global, huge, glamorous, glorious family, and we are like a mosaic. Like each stone is unique, but it has its own beauty and its own powerful energy. You know that in massage, also in well-being, when you're putting stones on your skin or your body, you are feeling this healing energy of the earth, and this is who you are. You are having, all we are having, each one of us is having infinite abundance of positive, pure healing energy, and it's coming from the earth, and through our bodies, okay, we are grounding actually the universal pure energy, because we are infinite abundance of power. So through our body is grounding on earth, and from earth again it's going up, and we're circulating energy, and that's what we are calling emotion, energy in motion. Okay, so this is the greatest first lesson of interculturalism, because in diversity, equity, inclusion, what it means is that each and every being on earth, human beings, we are like each and every stone, colorful. Each one is unique, has its own unique gifts, characteristics, preferences, beauties, internal strengths, intelligences, and great strengths and knowledge and energy. And we all belong in this globally beautiful, great, glorious global family, the humanity. And it's in our nature actually to be connecting and to be growing together. And like the stones that are, each stone is unique, and it's also a part of the whole earth. That's how us humans are as well. So by teaching that, you are immediately teaching also intercultural global skills and how to be connecting with others, because we are each other's nature as well, like a mirror. We are one, and each one is a part of one another. Okay, so this is the greatest first lesson in intercultural global friendship skills teaching, and God bless.